Welcome to Feminine Fashion Guide. Today's video is about how to walk in high heels. The first step on learning how to walk in heels is to get you a stable block heel. Block heels are in right now, so it's actually acceptable for you ladies to be wearing block heels. I don't own a lot of block heels, so I'm using my boots to demo this video, but definitely begin with a stable or a sturdy pair of block heels. You then need to practice walking around your house. You need to be comfortable to walk in public after you've done a lot of practice in your house. And for beginners, I urge you guys to begin on a flat surface. You don't want your first experience of walking in heels to be in sand or anything like that, so make sure you have a flat surface to work with.
Okay, so guys, tip number 3 is for you to begin out with a shorter inch heel. Ideally, I'm talking about a 3-inch. I don't have any 3 inches, but you can definitely Google 3-inch heels and get that. It's just going to help you with balancing, not feeling like you're too far off the ground, and then gradually work your way up to a 6-inch. So for tip number 4, now we're actually getting into the walking phase. When you walk, make sure you're keeping your feet aligned. So we're like taking a step, bop, 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 bop. You're not crisscrossing. We're not doing any of that. We're going one foot in front of another, in front of another, in front of another. So guys, after you get that one foot in front of the other concept, just keep working on that. Do that for a couple weeks. Honestly, walking in heels is a skill. It's a very complex skill to learn. So give yourself time, be kind to yourself. Practice that for a few weeks before we get to the crisscrossing. Alright, so when we get to the crisscrossing, a few tips help me to maintain my balance. And so next is after a few weeks of walking one foot after another, I guess you can call it the linear walk, right? The linear, because we're going in a linear line. I'm not very good with math, but I think that's the term, if I remember correctly. So, or parallel, one of the two, parallel or linear. But you guys get it. You guys get what I'm talking about here. We're ready to do our crisscross, the fun part of wearing high heels. Personally, I find it more helpful if I stand in an upright position, and if I tuck my stomach in a little bit, I find that I have a little bit more balance. I don't know what you guys' experience has been. Please put in the comments below. I would like to hear what helps you guys maintain balance. But for me, it's standing upright, sucking my stomach in, and just having very good control of my feet. So make sure that your shoe fits you really well. You don't want to wear oversized shoes because those will be coming out the back the second you are trying to take a step forward. So make sure your shoes fit you really nicely. So make sure that shoe fits you really well, that when you take a step, you go with it. All right. So for that, I always try it out. I always do the back and forth. And walk forward when the shoe comes out. See? And that's just embarrassing. So now you're gonna fix it. And having very good balance between front of your foot and your heel. You need to have a lot of awareness between which way is front of the foot and which way is back of the foot. These dynamics are going to come into play when you're walking outside. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. Literally, when I'm walking in the streets and they have those little water drains, you have to use the front of your foot to walk. So having an awareness of back and front helps you, because then you shift all of your weight forward versus on your heel, because you're gonna fall if you put your weight on the back. So, and then when you're walking on a curb or on a flat surface, feel comfortable to shift the weight back on your heels. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Feminine Fashion Guide. Let's begin the discussion. Please connect with me down below in the comments. I would like to hear more about how you guys started walking in high heels.